Welcome back. This is my third tutorial. We are going to create accordion in Pure CSS without using JavaScript. We can also animate the height, maximum height, and let's dive into our HTML. I'm going to create 4 parent divs. You can take a snapshot. Now I'm going to change this to slide down, find and replace the input name everywhere, and I'm going to rename this to the first tab and also assign the IDs, a second tab and the ID A2, and the third tab ID A3, and the fourth tab ID A4. Now I'm going to copy paste from my previous example the I tag and the paragraph, and copy and paste here and here and here, and I'm going to increase the height, just copy pasting the paragraph, so you can see the second tab has more height. Now let's jump into CSS, and I have imported the bootstrap icons. You can check in the browser, you can see the arrow. I'm just copy pasting the basic CSS, the body and HTML, and now let's create tab. Let's create the H3. And let's create our input. Now let's create our content. We are going to make display grid. We are going to use grid template rows, and we are going to animate this instead of height. And let's hide these paragraphs. It's overflow hidden. It's hidden in the browser. Now let's create the I tag. We are going to place the arrow at the right side of the input. You can check that in the browser. And we are going to create the paragraph. Now let's unhide this so we can see in the browser. Now let's style this paragraph. Now we have styled. Let's hide this back. Now let's create the input checked. We are going to unhide this by assigning the grid rows to 1 FR. This is going to animate the height. And now for the I tag, we are going to rotate it to 180 degrees when it is clicked. Now let's jump into HTML and assign checked. You can see in the browser, and now you can see the height animated automatically. Now let's refresh. You can see the first tab opening because we have given checked to the first tab. So we have successfully finished the accordion animation. We are able to animate the height with Pure CSS. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There are many upcoming videos. Thank you.